Repair your next flat tire with Moto Spair. When there is no spare tire to just change out, Moto Spair seals the puncture and inflates the tire to get you back on the road. Repairing a flat tire with Moto Spair is simple. Use the kit's valve core removal tool to slowly remove the valve core. Let the tire fully deflate. Attach the clear filler hose and squeeze in slime tire sealant. Air up with the powerful tire inflator. Use the power adapter that best fits your needs. There is a pre-wire power connector, a 12-volt adapter that works with an accessory outlet and alligator clips for a direct-to-battery connection. An 8-foot SAE power cord allows for extended reach. Next, attach the air hose to the compressor and onto your tire valve. Turn on the compressor and re-inflate to the proper tire pressure. Check tire pressure and add additional air if needed. Use the inflator to air up low tires anytime, anywhere.